Hello. Today, we're going to have a look at how to search and create a project. If you have a salesperson access on Cedreo, that is to say if you see these different options, you can click on My Projects. Here you will find all your current and completed projects. You have different ways to search a project. By name, date of creation, update date, or finally by a contact. Use the search bar here to look for a project or projects using one of the search methods we just mentioned. If you want to create a new project, you can click on the Create button here. Then, you must give a name and also add a description. Once you have validated your project, you will get to the Project Information page. You can also find your new project by using the My Projects option. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.